நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
See, somewhat relaxed. You are able to move it more freely. Good. So now you keep doing it. Doing it means regularly 3 times a day, not continuously doing it. If you do it continuously, some people they come and ask that if we have a problem, if we do it continuously, whether it can help us. Please don't do it continuously throughout the day. If you do that, there will be swelling. So it has to be done only 3 times a day, and the gap between 2 treatment has to be at least 4 to 5 hours. Okay, so now you know how to do it? We'll be able to do it, no? Right, good. You are having? Since 20 years. Since 1990 you are having the neck pain. Very good. Have you tried to find out what is the problem? 5 and 6 vertebrae is the problem. See, now this is the point which is for 5 and 6. This area. There is heavy pain over there. Pain indicates energy block. When we press at a particular point and when there is a pain, that indicates energy block. And when we press these points, we are releasing the energy block from that area. So both the hands you have to press, left as well as right. No? As I'm pressing it, do you feel any sensation over there? Nothing. Okay? So this is how you should do it and continue doing it. Neck pain is very easy to cure, and the main point for curing the neck pain is the point behind the thumb, as that has been shown over here, and this can be quite effective in giving relief and a long-term and permanent cure for the problem. Medulla massage can be also done. That means activation of the neck area. If you do it regularly, that can also help in clearing that pain. Shoulder pain. Shoulder pain is connected to mental stress, and it can be also because of high BP. The area near the neck and the shoulder, when you have chronic pain or pain appearing off and on, that can be also associated with high blood pressure and mental stress. And this is also associated with the lungs energy blockage. The points that can be done for curing shoulder pain is the point on the left hand side below the little finger on both the hands. This is the point which is associated with the shoulder, and in between the 2 fingers over here, in between these fingers over here and the center, this is a point which is associated with the lungs. So any type of shoulder pain, if it is there, the point can be done below the little finger, which is the shoulder point, and the point which is marked over in the center. These are the points that can help to cure shoulder related problems. Back pain and hip pain. Mind plays a major role over the body. Back pain is observed in case of people who have financial stress, and along with that it is associated also to wrong sitting posture and sleeping posture. We say that we know how to sleep, but have we ever analyzed the posture in while we are sleeping? More than that, it is very recently the WHO has released an article, and in one of the articles what they have mentioned is the mattress on what we sleep is the cause for back pain. the mattress on what we sleep can be the cause of back pain, because if we are using the same mattress for long period of time and sleeping in a particular position, there is a curvature that takes place on the mattress, and that curvature can cause imbalance on the spine. So what needs to be done is, you should try to turn the side of the mattress upside down every 6 months and every 3 months to rotate the mattress. Turn the mattress upside down every 6 months, and every 3 months you should try to change the head direction of the mattress every 3 months. That will prevent the curvature to be formed, and it will also help to improve the condition of the mattress and support the spine. Back pain is not only connected with the spinal problem.